is a hill.
The cards ended up looking like golf balls. I hope mine doesn't end up
This
that
is
way.
really strong.
What?
Kung ma-imagine na mawala ito sila. Ang lalo na yung parang patayin na lang sila.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Naglilinis ako guys, nag-vacuum. And ngayon nagluluto tayo ng sobrang aga pa. It's 8:20. Nag-ano lang tayo ng string beans. Kasi papunta dito, hindi ko alam ha, hindi pa tupawag. Iwan ko na lang talaga. Sabi pa, pupunta daw yun dito. Si Rich. So, yun. So, maaga naglinis ako guys. Ganyan naman tayo, 'di ba, kapag may bisita. Maglilinis tayo, 'di ba? Maglinis, ganun. And hold on, balikan ko kayo. So, ngayon guys, ano mula tayo? Anuhin ko lang 'tong buhok ko. So yun, naliligo si Mr. Ako, mag half bath lang ako eh. Isa, sira. Meron tayong lime, isa. Hinog na ito. Nandun sila sa labas. Anyway. So, balitaan ko na lang kayo mamaya, guys, kung anong balita. Kasi hindi ko alam kung pupunta ba yun talaga dito. 9 o'clock daw yun aalis doon kasi Tagalong Island kasi yun siya, guys. So, ang drive niya from sa isang bahay is 2.5 hours. Yun. 2.5 hours or 2 hours. Ang layo, di ba? Yung parang ayaw mong may bisita ngayon. Pero yun. Anyway, naglalaba din ako. Tapos na akong naglilinis. Ito yung ganap kapag may tao. Ang sobrang aga. Aga ko nagkaaligaga. At saka si Tami, siya yung may bisita. Siya yung parang relax. Yung walang inaalala, hindi nagluluto. Oh, God. Kahit mag-defrost man lang, wala. Kasi ang plano niya, ang sabi niya sa kaibigan niya, steak. So, yun. Lutuan niya ng steak. And hindi pa nga nag-defrost. Kukunin ko yung mga pilo dyan kasi nakaka-irita na itong asawa ko. Anyway, so yun siya, guys.
Answers.
Seriously, Tommy, look what you're doing. So stinky now.
You who cooks sticky fish.
No, this is worse, stinky.
Yeah, okay.
You know, return that wherever you get it. Oh, there's a lot of cheese here. Hi guys, nakapag-ano lang tayo. Dito lang naman tayo sa bahay. Anyway, yung nilalabhan ko, tapos na din, finally. Tapos na yung nilalabhan natin. Yay, naglaba pa rin tayo, kahit may tao. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras yung makadating dito, mga 12 ata. Kasi malayo kasi yun. So, hintayin lang namin guys. Hindi naman ako magluluto. Nagdi-defrost lang si Tami ng steak para sa kanilang dalawa kasi ayaw kong kakain ng meat. Mag-ano lang ako, string beans. At saka yung leftover na egg. And we don't have a space for this.
You guys have beef for dinner, so maybe you want hot dogs or something. I don't have any buns.
Han, don't make it like a big deal. He won't probably eat. He told you he won't eat. So he won't eat. So let him starve. He said he won't eat. So don't let him eat. 11 o'clock, nagutom ako guys. Kain po tayo ng ano, mag-bread po tayo. Ang buhay. I'm sleepy too. I still have to make a video. I still have to eat it. So yun, kakain lang po ako kasi gusto kong kakain. Yan. Oh guys, nilagay ko yung mga ano, galing ito kay Biyanan po ito guys. Itong mga nilalagay ko na mga ito kay Biyanan. So nilagay ko siya ganon. Look. Look, and then dito din isa, look. So ang ganda niya. Ito oh, lumaki na siya, tumaas. Tumaas na po siya. I'm hitting that thing. Yeah, so because later on I'm gonna picking the cheese you made.
Eat a food. That's just a bread.
Hey, dance.
There's a lamb chop still in it.
I don't want that.
There's rice.
Huh?
There's rice.
I know there is rice. Plano ko, ang gagawin ko is mag-deliver sila baka bukas ng mulch or the next day. So, hindi namin alam kung kailan yung delivery nila. And bago niyan, bukas, aalis ako. Pupunta po ako sa...
Sure, there are other things in there. I'm just not.
Ha?
I'm sure there's other things in there to eat.
Okay.
Macaroni salad?
Hey, tomorrow, can I go back to ano?
You don't have macaroni salad, really?
Later, can I go back? Can I go to Adam's tomorrow? Huh? Can I go today? Kasi that I can plant the thing. And are we gonna go to New Rochelle Saturday? Can we go over there? I need to dig some more plant. Mom, I wanna dig some, okay? So, I don't know. I have a lot of... Can you look, Han? Is it too big? Or is it red or yellow or whatever? The pimples in my neck is really hurting me. This one. What is that?
There's no head on it.
No head?
No.
No legs?
It looks like it's ready to get a head, but it's not a head yet.
Okay, your son is kind of like... Yung mukha ko nakatulog ako eh. It's almost 2 o'clock. Wala pa rin dito si Rich. Oh, ano bang plano nitong tawanan to? Ang tagal. And then si Tami nakapag ano na doon. Nag-ano na siya sa labas. May ginawa na tuloy. So ako mag-garden na lang din ako.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh my goodness guys. Uulan na naman. Grabe. Nagdalugdog na. Nagtander-tanderot na. Si Rich tumakbo. Tumakbo sa sasakyan niya kasi open yung window. Ngayon si Tami sabi ko open ba yung window dito sa taas? Kailangan ko na talagang itong si Tami. Tapos ginawa ko ulan. Hala, grabe ang itim. Ang itim ng langit. Hala. Ang itim. Ang itim ng langit, oh. Ginoo ko. Thunderstorm, guys. Oh my goodness. Ang itim. Tornado ito ba? Rinig ninyo guys. Ang dito, hindi. Dito lang. Ang itim. Wala. Takot sa ano, oh. Takot sa dalugdog sa thunder, oh. Takot. Takot. Tignan nyo itong mukha niya. Katulad ito sa akin, kung ano yung tignan nyo, magsishake yan mamaya guys. Hala, ang itim na. Ang itim ng ano, ang itim ng... Look, grabe. It get dark. Oh my God, it get dark. Ang itim ng ano. Umitim yung mundo. Umitim ang mundo. Ito si Roxy, takot na takot. Tignan nyo. Pagkatulad ito sa akin. Takot. You're fine. You're fine. I know you and I against the world. We're always afraid of everything, huh? She's like me, look her. She doesn't like thunder. Look. Mamaya mag-shake yan. Hindi mahimutang. Hindi mapalagay. Look, hindi mapalagay. Rich! Hills! Rich! Rich, it's a hill! Your car!
That's alright. What are you gonna do?
Roxy, come over here.
You wanna wait out the hell?
And just wait for that, please. It's
Yeah,
just...
put a little dents in your car. You don't want that. What are we gonna do? What?
Han, our garage, Han, ba? It should be open for each car.
Nah, it'll be fine. It's fine.
It's...
That's what they have
Hala.
insurance for.
Oh my God, Rich, your car, Rich!
No, that didn't do anything.
Oh my God. Hala. Is that real? Hey, this is my first time.
Oh, you've seen hail before.
No, this is my first time seeing this.
But the only reason that you got to worry about that is because that's tornado stuff.
Hala, tornado?
I was in Texas one time, and a tornado came through,
Yeah.
and it was hailing,
Yeah.
The tornado ripped off the roof of a car dealership and ruined every single car on the lot and inside.
Really? Oh my God.
They look like golf balls. Yeah. The cars ended up looking like golf balls. I hope mine
Hala,
doesn't end up
this
that
is
way.
really strong. Oh my
Yikes.
God. Hala. Jesus Christ. Nah, Roxy is nervous because I act nervous. Holy cow.
It was quite a bit warmer when I, over there.
Yung plant ko ba patay eyes, oh? Hala. Come here. Uy, no, si nervous mo, no. Uy, so nervous. Mama's little princess. I love you. Oh my God, you're shaking. Look at you. Oh, goodness, you're shaky, shaky, shaky. You're fine, you're fine. Oh, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Come here, come here. Come, hug. Grabe yung ano. Umalis sila, guys. Nagpunta sila sa ano, nag-order sila ng hero. Farm hero. Kasi gutom. I think gutom yun si Rich. Ay, Diyos. Uy, nakakina. Sino po nagsishake talaga siya, guys. Takot na takot. Basta thunder talaga. Thunder, ayaw talaga niya. Hi, Misty. Roxy, I want to prioritize your sister. Come here. Come here. Taranta na to, guys. Ito siya na, taranta na. Okay, you're good. Okay. Na, you're fine. Oh my God, nagsishake talaga. Okay, you're good. Okay. Where you going? Wait! Misty, I know you are not nervous. You're very a tough girl. You're a tough girl. I know you are. I know. You're a good girl. Okay na. Come here, Roxy. Come here. You're fine. My God, I don't understand kung bakit takot ito sa thunder, guys. Gunshots. Kasi yung kapitbahay namin dito, mag-gunshots yan, guys. Mag-train. Hindi yung kapitbahay namin. Yung mga nasa malayo, nasa taas, maririnig kasi dito at saka ang lalakas. So ngayon, takot ito kung may mga ingay na maano, yung fireworks, ganon. Iwan ko, tumatakbo na yun. Pabalik-balik yan, ganon. Para siyang taranta ba? Come here, baby! Baby, come! Taranta talaga. Itong isa, hindi ko i-comfort kasi wala naman itong problema. Okay naman siya sa mga ganon. Ito lang talaga ang nagpo-problema. Hindi mapalagay, look. Come here. Mama, hug you. Come. Kita niyo. Yung light is nag-ano. Yan si Roxy. Takot. You're fine. You're good. Hindi man ikaw takot. Okay? You're not afraid. Rox! My God. Look, taranta, eh. Come here. You're fine. Where are you going? Tingnan niyo. Takot. Parang ako lang talaga to. Nagmana sa ina. Nagmana sa ina ang baby. Takot. Nagmana. Don't worry na. Tatakbo na naman yan, oh. Sa laundry area. Why are you going to the laundry area? Why are you going to the laundry area instead of here with Mama? Oh, look, gusto tal. Come here. Hi, monkey. You want your time too? I know I love you very much too, but you are not nervous. You're nervous? It's Roxy. Roxy is the nervous one. Did you see the difference? Oh my God. Hi guys. Ang tagal nila guys. Asan kaya nag-date yung dalawa? Ang tagal. Hindi pa umabot. 1 hour na. Si Roxy napagod guys. Sa kakaano niya. Napagod siya na. Takot na takot kasi. Look. Tingnan yan. Napagod dahil sa ano. Na-relax na siya kasi wala ng ano. Dalugdog. Pero itong si Rich at saka si Tammy. Ang tagal. Saan kaya yung nag-date yung dalawa? Oh, andito na. Andito na yung dalawa. Nagde-date. Ang mga nag-date, oh. Nag-date itong dalawa. Tingnan dito. Ngayon pa nakauwi. Kanina pa to dito. 1 hour na yun. Malapit lang dito yung 10 minutes lang away. And then tumawag pa sila para sa order. Para ma-ready na. And then 1 hour nakauwi. Ang tagal. Your Uncle Rich and Dada is dating. Nagdidit yung dalawa, kaloka. So, I'm going to cook my salmon. Binilhan pala ako ni Tami ng salmon. Bake. 400. You like 2.5 men, Rich?
What's that?
You like 2.5 men?
Yeah.
Wow. He's got a lot. He got a lot of music and pictures to put on it. Not very many pictures, but a lot of music. Right? Just like my woman. There you go.
Han, you're all...
Thank you. What?
So, let's do this, guys. Lutuin na natin ito, guys.
Just got better. A great deal on this TV when I got it. This TV
Walmart.
was like 300 and change when I got it. And that was, you know, at that time that was really cheap. I mean, now they're all cheap now.
No,
But
that was...
at the time, these TVs went for like 1,600.
Yeah, you got this TV when we got the house, huh?
Yeah. So they didn't make this model anymore. So the TV was new, but it was an older model.
Kain lang kami, guys. Nagluluto si Tami ng steak. So ngayon, yung isang steak niluluto pa sa labas. And ito yung ipakain namin kay Rich. Ang dami, oh. Ito siya, macaroni salad. And salad na and I think this is Tami. And mine is here. Ito yung sa akin. Hold on, guys. Salmon. Look. Salmon is for me because I don't want steak. I eat too much meat. Na si Rich, guys. Ay, it's windy. Come here, Roxy. It's in here. Come here. Where is Misty? Hi, monkey. You guys doesn't eat the din-din. Uncle Rich is leaving. It's freezing outside. I don't know what happened in this world. Hi, guys. So, guys, kumain na kami, guys. Lahat-lahat. So, yun. Kumain na kami and umalis na si Rich. Ginoo ko. Busog kasi nagkumain sila ng lunch mga almost 3 o'clock na yung lunch nila. Hala, I forgot. Hold on. I forgot. Where is it? Let me see. Let me go to the front house. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Say bye-bye. Hello guys, good evening. I'm going to end the vlog. It is 8:32. So, end ko na tong vlog, guys. So, yun. Kita-kits na lang tayo bukas. Say good night, love. Hoy.
Hey guys.
Yung blankets and pillows are back.
Sure.
Kasi yun yung gusto kasi niya. Yung siya, komportable. Anyway, so good night. I-end ko na to, guys. Salamat sa panonood. What is that noise? You don't eat your din-din. You should go eat your din-din alone. Okay? I love you. You don't eat your din-din. Go eat your din-din. Eat your din-din. Always nervous. Huh? Tignan nyo to. I love you very much. Say good night na. We're gonna end again. Second ending. Nag-scroll ako sa Facebook. And then, yung nakita ko sa Facebook, yung isang may-ari ng aso, guys. Hinahalik-halikan niya, guys, doon sa hospital ng mga hayop. And hinalik-halikan niya, iyak siya ng iyak. So, nagtataka ako. And then, may parang pang-inject ba sa paa. In-injectionan. So, yung aso, bago in-injectionan ng vet, ang nangyari, ang aso, tingin lang siya sa may-ari na, bakit iyak ito ng iyak, ganun. So, ako din, sabi ko, patay. Doon ako na ininjectionan pala siya ng, para, yung parang, para hindi na magdusa kung ano nung naramdaman ng aso. So, pagkatapos ng inject, guys, ang bilis, as in, ang bilis. Iwan ko kung anong in-inject sa mga ganong bagay, mga aso. Ang bilis, pagkatapos ng injection, ganun agad yung aso, para ang bilis, nakatingin pa sa may-ari, na umiiyak, and then, gumaganon siya, and then yung may-ari, ginaganon lang yung mata, kinuklose. So, naiyak ako, guys, and then, lumabas ako, kasi andito, kasi sa labas kasi ito sila. So, hinahag ko itong mga aso ko, kasi hindi ko ma-imagine, na mangyayari yan sa babies ko, sa mga alaga ko. Hindi ko ma-imagine na mawala ito sila. Ang lalo na yung parang patayin na lang sila. Ginoo ko. Hindi ako parang naiyak ako kanina. Nagtataka na lang silang dalawa ni kaibigan ni Tami at saka si Tami. Bakit lumabas ako and then hindi ako umiimik. Hinahag ko na lang itong dalawang aso. Ito. Ayaw niya talaga na ihag-hag ni mama na, uy. Ayaw talaga ni mama na ihag-hag na. Just na. Do you want some bunsi? You have to eat your dindin first. You have to eat your dindin first. Say good night na. No, choose Ginoo ko. Ipinangga kayo yun ako. I love you. You go eat na.